Hey guys, today we're going to do a dimensional diamond painting. So, let's do it. So, the set includes a small slab of wax, a tray, the special pen, the beads, and of course, the canvas. So, let's start. Now, let's transfer these to different containers. Make sure you keep the tags on them like what we did here. The kit does include some containers you could use, so we improvised by using some facial cream empties. First, pour the beads into the tray. Use one number at a time. It doesn't matter which one you pick, just as long as you know which number it is. The canvas is sticky where you put the numbers. For example, the sky and the ocean is not sticky, but this tree is. You have to be careful with dust. That's why they include a plastic shield. If you are not done with your painting, cover it again, like this. Now, let's get the wax. This is how to do it. First, you take off some of the thin plastic wrap, then you scoop up with the pen. Like that. Now let's pick up the beads. Make sure to pick them up on the convex or curvy side. Also, make sure that the number of the beads corresponds with the number on the canvas. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.